Maintenance mode, Samsung turn off without password. So if your Samsung phone is in maintenance mode and now you want to turn it off, you probably think you don't need the password, but you do need your Samsung phone password to turn off or exit maintenance mode. Your fingerprint is going to be inactive, so you need to know your Samsung phone password if you want to turn off maintenance mode. Now, when talking about maintenance mode, Samsung turn off without password, you simply need to look for your password and then follow this step to turn off maintenance mode. Click on settings on your Samsung phone, scroll down, click on device care, scroll down, click on maintenance mode, tap exit, tap restart, type in the password of your Samsung phone. This is important as there is no way to exit or turn off maintenance mode on Samsung without password. Click on continue and then your Samsung phone is going to restart. Then go ahead and type in your Samsung phone password again and you should see phone starting. Your Samsung phone is going to start in normal mode just like that. So that is exactly how to turn off maintenance mode on Samsung using your password. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.